Last week, I received a call from my friend who was working as VP AI in a very reputed MNC. Now, she said something very strange. 92% of her entire organization has not logged in their AI system once. Now, this is an organization which had invested billions. They've got the best models, best engineers, and they got a good press coverage. But now when they look at the results, 92% of the employees have not even logged in to see the system. So AI projects are not failing because technology won't work. Rather, the humans won't log in. So 72% of the firms' projects are failing. Only 28% of AI implementation is successful. And there's a big human element. So how do you get over it? You follow a 3 non-negotiable approach. First is you address the job security concern on the day one itself. So the day your organization announces AI roadmap, the job security concern starts slumbering around. You acknowledge it. You sit with your team, have honest conversation. Clearly point out what AI will be doing and what the team would be doing. And then point them out that this task will not be replaced by. Now, whenever we implement a automate reporting tool which saves 15 to 18 hours per week, I tell my clients, have an honest conversation with your team members that with 15 to 18 hours additional, you should not be focusing on data entry. You should be doing more strategic work. And you have to also show them the career paths that they are not left on their own. Now, once you start giving people more clarity kills anxiety. The second element is you have to make the training simple and easy. So, easy is the important part. It is not about making it more rigorous, complex, but such an easy thing to adopt that everyone adopts it. On every week, you focus on one small element, one task completely being automated across the organization, rather than 10 workflows which are very complex. Nobody understands that. You pair the skeptics and the early together. You make the help visible to everyone, you early adopters together. You make the help visible to everyone and you acknowledge the small wins. The third part is you get X, Y, Z. So the third element of non-negotiable is identify the early adopters. Any technology has early adopters. You have to go and look for them internally in your organization. So people who are doing experiments on their own, people who are looking at it in terms of possibility, not in terms of concerns, people who want to do these new technologies to be adopted. That's what the early adopters. Once you identify them, you start empowering them. You get them assigned to these projects so that their experimentation also helps your entire AI gamut. You make them more, you provide them the resources. AI is a resource intensive area. You provide them resources like paid subscriptions, X, Y, Z, you prioritize them. You give them a question. If you are experiment certain things, not everything will work out. There should be some safe space. And you should give them the platform. So whenever they get anything from their platform, they should be able to share that. So when you follow this 3 approach, where you address the fear, where you make the training easy, and where you have identify and empower the early adopters, you would be definitely in that 28%. Thank you.